Hey boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and go over where you can find your math assignment for lesson 0106. You're going to go into your math course. You're going to scroll down below your landing page to your activities. You'll come across module 1. You'll open up that folder and we're looking at 0106, which is right here, module 1, review and reflection. You'll open up that first link, which is the blank page icon to view the lesson. And this is a review and reflection lesson, so it's 3 pages. You'll want to go through all 3 pages to make sure you review the content that was within this module. So you'll have practice problems, word work, some more practice problems. Again, this is good to go over because you also have your assessment this week for module 1. So these review pages in lesson 0106 are going to be very important to go through so that you review for your assessment. On the last page of the lesson, you'll come across what is my assignment. Again, it'll go over some content that you learned in the lesson. And then here's your actual assignment for 0106, Module 1 Review and Reflection. You'll open that up. This is a 2-page assignment, excuse me. So make sure you do both of these pages. Each page has 2 questions, and I want to draw your attention to the directions. Think about what you learned in this module and answer each of the questions with 2 to 3 complete sentences. Each of these questions need to be answered in 2 to 3 sentences. So your first question, think about the work and activities you completed. What are you most proud of? You're going to answer that question in 2 to 3 sentences. Second question, what did you learn that you would like to share with a friend or family? You're going to answer that question in 2 to 3 sentences. What is one question you still have about something you learned? Now this one, you would just write one question. So this one, you don't have to answer in 2 to 3 sentences because in the directions or in the question, it's asking you what is one question you still have. So you would write one question you still have about the content you learned in Module 1. And then your last question, describe one way that what you learned in this module relates to your life. And you're going to answer that question in 2 to 3 sentences. When you're done, you will submit your work by going to the next activity button, which is in the top left-hand corner, that right arrow. Click on that arrow. On your page, you will have a blue plus button that you can click on and attach your work. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.